Okay, so let's get right into it. This is a sketch of a network marketing sales funnel. Guys, I gotta tell you, if you're sending people to your replicated network marketing websites, you're you're doing it all wrong. You have to do something that's going to differentiate yourself from everyone else in your network marketing company, and you have to actually do marketing. I'm not saying that you can't go out and speak to friends and family and all that type of stuff, but if you've already tried that and you don't have a big downline, the way to go about building a downline in network marketing is by starting out by using the same model that you would use in affiliate marketing, right? So with this right here, you can see, before I even get into that, it's like when I started in network marketing, I didn't have time, I didn't have money. There were so many things going against me, and I failed at numerous network marketing companies, and I didn't succeed until I didn't actually start building a downline until I started using the affiliate marketing model just like this. And affiliate marketing is great, but I love the residual aspect of having a network marketing company because you can actually build a real asset. Um, the vast majority of people are attracted to the network marketing model because the network marketing company does all of the processing of sales. They do all the distribution. They basically do everything that you would have to do if you were the type of business that was distributing all the products. So all you have to do is learn how to market and attract people into a funnel like this. And I'll go over in a separate video. I'll go over the other funnel that will eventually show people your network marketing business and products and all that type of stuff. But moving on, this right here, this first capture page, right? What I like to do is I go out into the market and I find an affiliate product that network marketers really want and need, right? So it might be a book that they need to read on how to get more traffic. It could be a lot of could be some type of information product that shows people in network marketing how to structure things and build sales funnels. Whatever it is, this is what the capture page would be, right? This page over here is the actual affiliate page, but starting out right here, I use ClickFunnels, and what I do is I go in and I take the actual the done copy, the sales copy that's already done, right? Like they've already paid people to and tested and everything to find what words to use to make the most attractive offer. So what I do, but what you don't want to do is you don't want to go to YouTube or any of the other sites where you're doing your marketing, whether it's your blog, doesn't matter. However you're wherever you're driving traffic to, you wouldn't want to send them right here to the affiliate page, right? And you definitely don't want to send them to a replicated website that's done by your network marketing company because there's nothing that differentiates you, right? You're the same as the other 10,000 or 50,000 reps in your network marketing company. So what you want to do is you want to build out your own capture page you don't have to use ClickFunnels. You can use any software that you want to. I just want to go over with you the correct procedure to use to attract people on the front end, right? Attract people on the front end with value and then inform them of your network marketing company on the back end. So with this example right here, you can see it says book offer plus a bonus, right? So you're still differentiating yourself even with this affiliate product. So with this affiliate product, if the other people are just sending people directly to, let's say it's a network marketing book, by someone that has built a really successful network marketing business. Well, if you just drive that traffic straight to here, there's nothing that differentiate. There's no special bonuses to be on your team, nothing that's unique. So why would they just buy from that one? Why would they not go out in the market online and look for that product plus some bonuses that are unique to you and unique to your team? So you build that out. They're going to enter their name, they're going to enter their email, and you can see right here, they're going to go ahead and click, right? So after they click, it's going to put them automatically into an automatic email sequence. Okay. Now you have a lead. And if you've done any research into building your network marketing company, you know the real value. You don't really own anything in the network marketing company other than your leads, other than capturing your leads. So they're going to be in this automatic email sequence, and you can see these arrows. And the emails are providing a lot of value, right? You're not just sending out a bunch of spammy sales stuff. You actually want those emails to be legitimate, high value content that has already been proven either by someone in your upline in your business or by yourself that has worked, worked for your network marketing company, for building your network marketing company. And so they'll get this email. The email can include videos, which I highly suggest. Preferably if your upline if they already have a bunch of emails, they can easily give you a share code to where all you have to do is just go in and change your name and change some of the stuff. A lot of uplines would even allow you to use the already done for you videos. That way you can kind of hit the ground running. You don't have to do all that stuff yourself. But when they're receiving these emails, you're going to have a link in each email that they receive. And that link is going to be, if they didn't already make a purchase of the product that you're offering, it's going to keep sending them back here, because this product is probably something foundational, some foundational information. And it shows you that this is the type of person that you want in your network marketing business, right? This is a person that's willing to take action. This is a person that's willing to buy a really low cost item. I'm talking about, maybe like a $5, $10, or $15 product that they already know that they need it, right? And if someone's not willing to buy something that they need to build their network marketing business to gain some foundational skills, then maybe that person isn't someone that's going to do anything in your network marketing company anyway. So this would also provide a way of weeding out the looky-loos, the people that are just, they want to succeed. They're just not at a point yet in their life where they're willing to take a risk, or maybe they can't, maybe they need to go get a job or something first, but they're just not at a point where they're willing to invest like $7. But something with this particular network marketing sales funnel, even though on this whole funnel, you have yet to mention, as you're building it out, you've yet to mention what network marketing company you're in, right? So, but something very special happens when you use this process. Is it's basically it's a marketing funnel that is self-funded, because let's say for example that someone buys let's say they buy a $7. Oh, that's a horrible money sign. But they buy a $7 product, right? And you make a small affiliate. Let's say you make a $3 affiliate commission off of that $7 purchase, right? Well, that in itself, if enough people buy this book offer, you're going to take that money and dump it back into your marketing budget. So you can actually now, instead of just using free marketing methods, which I highly suggest you should utilize that as much as you possibly can, as long as you're getting results from it. but you also want to incorporate some paid advertising. This is how the leaders in network marketing companies are able to build such big downlines so fast, is because while one person's out using a whole bunch of free resources, which they should, they are also spending money on Google pay-per-click, on Facebook ads, and they have their own personal blogs. They're driving traffic back there, so they're able to fill their lead pipeline over and over and over, basically every single day, right? So so you'll make a little bit of front end money, and then something else really great happens is not only are they on your personal email list, but now whatever affiliate product that that you decided to partner with, that company is also going to be sending them out emails, right? They're going to be sending them emails out, and they're going to be sending them back to their own special offers, and those links are attributed back to you. So if they offer a $50 product, if they offer a $250 oh, that's awful. If they offer a $250 product, you're going to be getting, a good percentage of that affiliate commission. So a lot of people on my team have been able to either almost break even, some of them are breaking even, but what's most important is some people are actually making a profit by using this method, and that money, you don't want to consider it like I'm going to pocket it type profit. You want to take that money and you want to keep dumping it back into your advertising, because what you're wanting to do is you're wanting to drive traffic, keep building your lists, keep providing value. And then at some point in time in those emails, your email is going to provide a link that's going to send them into a whole nother funnel. And that funnel will be your network marketing funnel. You see? So now you've provided a ton of value. You've built knowledge. Now they know you. Now they trust you. Now they know that you're doing something different than everyone else in their upline. Their upline just told them, make a list of 100 people, all your friends and family and all that, do the 3-way calls, do all those type of things, but you're doing something unique. So they'll see that by the time they start getting emails and you start introducing them to your network marketing company, and more importantly, the process that you're using, the systems that you're using to build your network marketing company, to build your downline, then that is the way to truly go out and market your business, as opposed to just spamming people with your products and spamming people with, the joining you in the business. And you're going to, next thing you know, you're telling them like, hey, join me. In a week or two, we can buy our own private plane. But it just doesn't work like that. You have to build a relationship. It's the same way with buying habits that we use for all type of other products. So that's it for this video. And on the next video, what I'm going to draw out once they would go through this particular funnel, what would be the other sequence funnel that they would go through, and what's the process that I put people through to where they will they'll enter your network marketing funnel, and from there it leads them to making a buying decision and to join you in your business. And like I said, I use ClickFunnels to build out all of my funnels in my network marketing company. The one unique thing that I love about ClickFunnels is once I have spent my own money and I've built out my sales funnel and I find what works and what doesn't, well, the people that are on my team, they don't have to go out and spend their own money testing. They don't have to spend their own time and energy and everything making the sales copy. I can just use my share code. It's a share code that I give to people on my team, and they can just utilize the exact same funnel that I've already went out and spent a lot of money testing and tweaking and doing everything until it produces results. All the people on my team have to do is go and in the emails and in different spots, just put the things in that brand them instead of me, and then basically they just get to use my entire funnel. And as long as they're doing the things that I did, they get to duplicate those results. So that's it for this video. I'll see you on the next one.